In this video, we will learn past tense in Turkish. Past and present perfect tenses in English are the same in Turkish. That's why today I will just give you information about past tense. We use it when we know for sure that something has taken place. In other words, when there is certainty about something that has happened. The past tense attaches the suffixes the, do, to the verb root. We obtain the verb root by removing mak, mek from the infinite form. For example, the verb root of yazmak would be yaz, düşmek would be düş, and izlemek would be izle. We can express the past tense in four ways. First, positive. Second, negative. Third, positive question. Fourth, negative question. Positive, I wrote, ben yazdım. Ben personal pronoun, yaz verb root, the definite past tense suffix, me personal suffix. For positive, we focus on two particular letters in the verb root. Firstly, we focus on its last vowel. Secondly, we take note of its last letter. Based on the last vowel, we attached one o, the, do, to the verb root. This is done to preserve vowel harmony. If the very last letter of the verb root is one o, ç, fe, he, ke, se, şe, te, pe, we replace the d in the past tense suffixes with a t. Our suffixes then become t, tu. Lastly, we attach the personal suffix. Each personal pronoun has its own set of personal suffixes. Negative, I did not write. Ben yazmadım. Ben personal pronoun, yaz verb root, ma negative, the definite past tense suffix, me personal suffix. The negative suffixes are ma, me. We attach the appropriate suffix to the verb root based on the rules of vowel harmony. Thereafter, we attach one of the d. Basically, if we consider these together, we will only be attaching one o, madı, medi to the verb root. Lastly, we attach the personal suffix. Positive question, did I write? Ben yazdım mı? Ben personal pronoun, yaz verb root, the definite past tense suffix, me personal suffix, m question. In order to turn a positive verb into a question, all we do is add one o, m, mi, mu, mü after it. There are not suffixes but separate words altogether. Onlar, however, only gets one o, m, mi added after it. Negative question. Did I not write? Ben yazmadım mı? Ben personal pronoun, yaz verb root, ma negative, the definite past tense suffix, me, personal suffix, m, question. To convert a negative verb into a question, we simply add ma, me after the root of verb. If you enjoy to watch our videos, please subscribe our channel, put like and turn your notification on. Don't forget, we can develop our channel by your support. Take care.